Suchishmita Das. Suchishmita Das. And Vijayshita. Graduated in cash accounting and finance. She's getting 5% mark. Now your hobby is mandala. Now you are working somewhere?
No sir, I'm not working.
Hobby?
Mandala art.
Art? Mandala art.
Public administration and social.
What will public administration mean?
Sociology.
Sociology. Social stratification ଉପରେ କ'ଣ ଜାଣିଛ କହିଲ?
Socialization ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଅର୍ଥ।
ଟିକେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ କିନ୍ତୁ ଭେରି ବ୍ରିଫ୍।
English only. Social stratification is the classification of different groups of people and a hierarchical order in a society. And for example, the caste system in India, then we have class groups. These are the forms of social stratification.
What is public administration?
Public administration is the action part of the government which is engaged in implementing the policies and the laws made by the legislature.
How do you define a state?
State is an institution state is an institution that has a group of people living within a territory and having a government that governs it.
What is post-court activity of public administration?
Post-court activity is refers to the planning, organizing, staffing, coordinating, budgeting and reporting. It was given by Luther Cornick.
What is the line of command?
Line of command is the transfer of authority from top level to the bottom level of the administration.
What is span of control?
Sorry.
Span of control.
Span of control is the number of subordinates that the superior can have command over, direct and supervise.
Power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. Who told?
I'm not able to say right now.
Power corrupts, absolute corrupt, power corrupts absolutely. It will be lacking benefit to political science if the concept of sovereignty is surrendered. Who told it? Harold Zelarski. What is the bureaucracy?
Bureaucracy is an organized group of people who work within in personal laws, rules and regulations to achieve the goals of the organization.
What is do you find any iota of separation of power in the Jagannath culture?
So there is no such separation, because Jagannath culture believes in equality, brotherhood and universalism.
Equality, somebody believes in equality, but separation power doesn't believe in equality.
Yes.
Is there any division of labor, concept of division of labor in Jagannath culture?
No idea.
Do you know what are the servitors or sevaks?
Yes.
They have been assigned different jobs. How many sevaks are there in the Jagannath temple? How many categories of sevaks?
Categories, I have no idea.
Chhatisa Niyog, have you heard of Chhatisa Niyog?
No, sir.
Tell me, what is the population of Odisha?
Around 3.2 something.
3.2.
2 crores.
What is the territory, geographical area in the territory of Odisha?
Not able to recall.
Pardon?
Not able to recall that exact.
You don't know or what?
Not able to recall, no. No, please. Not able to recall, no, sir.
What is the geographical area in square kilometers of Odisha? Which districts border the state of Odisha? Yes, Bay of Bengal. Which districts of Odisha come?
बालेश्वर,
Yes.
भद्रक, केंद्रापड़ा, जगतसिंहपुर, खोर्धा, पुरी, गंजाम.
The Bay of Bengal was earlier known as some other sagar. What is that?
Yes.
Have you heard of Kalinga Sagar?
Sagar, no, I haven't heard.
That was the name of Bay of Bengal. So,
do you read newspapers?
Yes.
Which newspaper you read?
Hindu, Samaj.
Samaj. Who is the editor of Samaj now?
I don't remember.
About this Samaj organization,
Yes, sir.
that organization had a great role in the development of the Odishan culture and tradition.
The Samaja was a newspaper, first Odia newspaper started by Gopalendra Das in 1903, and he is a great freedom fighter of Odisha who started the Satyabadi Manavidyalaya. And Samaja has continued his legacy since then and is able to reach to each and every part of Odisha.
who elsewhere with Gopabandhu's company at the Satyavadi school?
Godavari Mishra and Nilakantha Das and Achyutananda Das. So I'm not sure.
No idea. Gopal Sindhu, Mishra, Acharya, River, Nilakantha Das. Nilakantha Das later was renowned in Odisha as both Godavari Mishra and Nilakantha Das.
I don't remember.
whether Gopabandhu died before Odisha became a new state or before that he died.
Yeah. So after Odisha.
Both of them, Godavari and Nilakantha Das, they joined Odisha politics. Nilakantha Das became speaker, Godavari Das became education minister. They have established Utkal Institute also.
Very recently, ex-leaders, I would say somebody that was kind of damn the agent.
Manorama. Yes. Manorama.
Se tayo papangalan ko,
Radhanath.
Radhanath Dutta. Did you put it, Nadi Jagaran, empowerment, se tayo, ଦି ତିନିଟା ପ୍ରତିବନ୍ଧକ ରହୁଛି ସେ ଦି ତିନିଟା ପ୍ରତିବନ୍ଧକ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ପ୍ରତିବନ୍ଧକ କ'ଣ ଆମ ନାରୀ ଜାଗାରେ କାହିଁକି ଆମେ ଆମର ଏଇଟା ସଫଳ ହେଇପାରୁନି
ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ମନୋଭାବନା ବଦଳୁନି ନାରୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେ ଏବେ ବି ସେଇ ତଳତଳିଆ ଅନ୍ତରରେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ସରକାର ଯେ ବହୁତ
କ'ଣ କଲେ ସେଟା ଆମର ସେ ନାରୀ ମାନେ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ ଯେଉଁ ଆମର ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟଟା ହେଉଛି ସେଟା ସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ୍ ହେଇପାରିବ ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ ଆର୍ ଦ ସର୍ଟକମିଂସ୍ କ'ଣ ହର୍ଡଲ୍ସ କ'ଣ ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଇରାଡିକେଟ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ସେଟା ସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ୍ ହେବ
patriarchal mindset is still prevalent. Then illiteracy among the women who belong to the remote areas, that is still required to be taken into account. And then the government has taken several steps, but still, and also the ignorance attitude, even though they know that they were aware about it, but still they have an ignorance attitude to take into consideration about women welfare and superstitious belief, basically those who belong to the tribal areas.
ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ମିଶନ ଭାରତ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ସରକାର କରିଛନ୍ତି
Mission Shakti.
ଗୋଟେ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ କରିଛନ୍ତି
Yeah, Mission Shakti for organizing women into self-help groups who can pool the resources.
ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ ନାଁ
Mission Shakti.
ମିଶନ ଶକ୍ତି
So now they are coming into limelight. We see government is more focusing on welfare, and it's basically a self-help group which will pull the resources together and that way women empowerment.
ଏବେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଗୋଟେ ମଧ୍ୟ ନାରୀମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ସ ନେଇଛି with the direction of the Supreme Court. କ'ଣ ସେଟା for the recruitment is somewhere କ'ଣ ସେଟା
Induction of women into NDA, National Defence Agency Academy. They will take up the courses and join Indian Navy. Sorry, Indian Army. NDA, National Defence Academy. And then combat.
Defense.
Yes,
Defense.
sorry, defense.
NDA ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଭାବି ଅଛି
Combat operations. Navy also.
Who is the son of Devi? Who is the first chief minister of Odisha?
Hare Krishna Mehta.
Chief minister. Who is the first lady chief minister of Odisha?
Nandini Sarpati.
Which district of Odisha has highest population?
Ganjam,
Which district has the lowest population?
Jagsonpur,
Lowest population. That's why this so thickly populated. Lowest population.
Baleswar.
You know one district, Jagatsinghpur has a very high literary percentage. You know how much? It is second in Odisha. First is Khordha, second is Jagatsinghpur. The population is also very sizable population. This concentration of population is there. But it is geographically this is smallest district, which is the population wise smallest district. Deoghar. Who is the first Odia to be a governor of the state?
Viswanath Harichandra.
No, Doctor. कानून को कौन सा है की कानून को तो इसको हमारे सुना कानून को
क्या बना रहे हो ये चीज़ें बिना कानून को
विश्वनाथ कानून को say first. The one lady who became governor of a state, first Odia lady who became governor of the state.
No. Sorry, sir.
बीजेपी में जड़ी कोalition गवर्नमेंट रे मंत्री थे तीनटा रथ ना कहल जगन्नाथंकर
नंदीघोष नंदीघोष पद्मध्वज पद्मध्वज सुभद्रा तालध्वज बलराम
तालध्वज बलदेव नंदीघोष
जगन्नाथ
सुभद्रा
पद्मध्वज
पद्मध्वज
नारायण मंडपुणी
देव
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 देव गौरी
देवद्रहल अच्छा तुम गोटे धर तुम पाइगल ओएस अफसर गोटे मजिस्ट्रेट हो गल तुम देखिल से बहुत लोक गुड़े विक्षोभ करने से डिमांड कर तुमको सहित देखा करने तुम पुलिस नहीं गला बेलू विरोध कर पुलिस आसिले से आसवा दरकार ना पुलिस विरुद्ध में विक्षोभ पुलिस कौन असुविधा कर तुम कौन कर पड़ेगा 5,000 लोक आई तुमको डाक जाए तुम्हें जीव पुलिस लेके जीव कौन कर
पुलिस नहीं के गले जेहेतु से ये लगुच सो आई गो माई सेल्फ पर्सनली देयर फर्स्ट एंड देन ट्राई टू काम डाउन द क्राउड And
ତମ ବୟସ ଶୁଭିବ ଉତ୍ତର ପୂର୍ବ ଭିତରେ
but I try my best to calm down. And, even though I'll take police, but they will be far away from me. I will go personally stand in front of them and try to convince them as far as possible.
କେବେ ଆସିଥିଲ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ?
30 तारीख 30
30 ତାରିଖ।
ଆମର ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବିଷୟରେ ତୁମର ନଲେଜ ବହୁତ ଅନେକ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବୁ କୋର୍ସ କମ୍ପାରେଟିଭଲି ତମେ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଜାଣ ଏଇଟା ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ସର୍ଭିସ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଏରିଆରେ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଲୋକାଲ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ଜାଣିବ। ସେମାନେ ଯାଉଛି ତାପରେ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ କଥା ହେଉଛି ତମେ କେତେବେଳେ ଜିନିଷ ଭଲ ଜାଣିଛ ଆଉ କେତେବେଳେ ଜିନିଷ ଜାଣିନ ଅନେକ କଥା ଜାଣିଛ ନାହିଁ ଜାଣି ବୋଲି କହିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମକୁ ଟିକେ ଅଡ଼ ଲାଗୁଛି କ'ଣ ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଜାଣିନ ତିନିଟା ଅର୍ଥ ନା ତମ ମଦକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ ସେ କହିବ ହାତକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ ସେ କହିବ फ्यूचर ପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ଆଉ ଏ 30 ତାରିଖ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଟିକେ ଯାହା ଯେତିକି ପାରିବ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ଦେଖିଦେବେ ଆଉ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବ
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି।
Thanks.